and welcome back to another Decorate for Christmas video. We are going all out. This is our first year decorating for Christmas at the house. So needless to say, I've gone a little crazy decorating this year. We are probably doing 3 to 4 to maybe 5 trees this year. Here's a quick little glimpse of our first tree, which is going to be an all gold theme, and I am so in love with the way that it turned out. Decorating my Christmas tree has turned into a tradition throughout the years here on my channel, so I'll link all of the previous ones that I filmed down below for you guys in case you're interested. By the way, quick side note, I am hoping to do vlogmas this year, which I am so excited but nervous at the same time because I haven't done one in a few years since life has gotten so busy and chaotic. So I would love if you guys would leave me some recommendations of what you want to see throughout vlogmas. I feel like my life update is a little repetitive since we are still under construction in a few areas of the house, but let me know what you want to see during this time. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. All right, so I ended up bringing absolutely all of our Christmas decor downstairs, basically to organize everything, because if you guys know, we basically had all of our Christmas decor in a storage and then we moved and shoved everything in the attic and never organized it. Last year, I actually purchased all of my Christmas decor and I didn't end up putting up the Christmas tree because we basically were still under construction and it just didn't make sense to have all of those decorations. Plus, I've been purchasing some new ones this year, which I shouldn't have, but this is basically everything that we have. We currently have 3 Christmas trees, which I'm so excited about, and I'm going to be decorating all 3. I purchased 10 of these bins from Home Depot, and I'm just going to try to organize it by color. Room is finally somewhat cleared out and organized. I have my old Christmas tree right here, some old ornaments in this bin. These are some outdoor lights that I got, as well as these. In this bag I have some LED candles, Christmas tree skirt, this super cute little ornament for the traditional tree. I told you guys I was gonna get another one of these because I love them that much, so I ordered another pack. These are 25 LED candlesticks. Our Christmas wrapping for the year, this little deer, some wreaths. And then on this side, I decided to start organizing my old Christmas decor by color. So I have all the reds here. I have silver, green, these are white, and then more white down there. I believe under all of this is Halloween decor. And then I have these little like stuffers for glass ornaments. And in here, I actually have glass ornaments as well as my nacimiento.
The good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up.
By the way, I had this issue last year to make it twinkle and use properly, so make sure you read the instructions. All right, so memo, 3 seconds. Nothing's happening. Did I need to turn it on? Oh, it doesn't have batteries. Of course it doesn't have batteries. But don't fret, batteries do come with the tree, which is great. I don't know if I should turn it on first, but it says memo for 3 seconds. Yay! It's set. There's a twinkle mode, that's the colorful one, and the bright. By the way, for some reason on camera it shows like it's very white light, but it's, in my opinion, it's a warm white color, which I love. So it's a beautiful warm yellow. So I'm a visual person when it comes to decorating the tree, and I like to lay everything down. That way it's easier for me to put things together. So let me show you basically where everything is from, even though I did share a Christmas haul. These ornaments I would consider the large size from Hobby Lobby, and these right here are the extra large. They're so big. Let me see if I put them next to each other so you can see the size difference. These are more of a medium size, and then the smalls from Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby. These are like a little funky shape. These stars are actually a Home Goods find. And then the LED lit tree topper is from Target. I'm definitely getting another one for my other Christmas trees because I love it that much. And then the other fillers are these right here. I love these Merry Christmas signs from Hobby Lobby. I have it in white and I decided to get it in gold. These right here are from At Home. These picks are from Hobby Lobby. These stars are actually from Amazon, but they're a pain to put together. Just for size reference, these are a lot bigger than the Home Goods ones. And then lastly, these gold icicles are from At Home, as well as these little birds. So let's put the tree together. All right, so for the most part, I like to start with the really big ornaments first to fill in any empty spaces, like for example, right here. That way it's easier to fill in the tree properly all throughout. So I start with the extra large, then I move on to large, medium, smalls, and then I fill in with the miscellaneous ones that I showed you on the table. But for today, I'm going to start off with the tree topper first, since this one you do have to connect. I usually leave the tree topper for last, but let's start off connecting this first. Oh my God, you actually can easily clip this up there. I love it. Oh, I should have done this before putting it. I'm freaking. I'm just gonna have to do it right now.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh.
Oh, thank God they're shatterproof. I'm gonna have to go and buy the wires for these things. Be right back. So tell me how I went to Dollar General to get these for the ornaments, and I found so many cute ornaments that now I have to do a quick little haul. I got this cute little lantern that lights up. I think I got 3 of these. Yeah, I got 3. How cute. And then I got these, which I'm thinking of replacing. Oh, this one doesn't even have the bow, but I'm thinking of replacing the bow for a prettier one. But how cute are these? These are actually $1. The little lanterns were $2. I'm going to show you guys a few others that I saw, but I didn't get because I honestly have way too many ornaments. But I obviously got 2 packs of these little picks, as well as this gold ribbon to put on those ornaments. I also got an extension cord because it's always needed. And these zip ties or cable ties for the garland. All I have to say is don't sleep on Dollar General.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a
By the way, when you have a golden or a shedding dog, this massive lint roller honestly comes in clutch. And then this little chomper, I don't really know the name, but this is definitely one of my favorites. It honestly works.
all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah.
All right, so I almost forgot about my village, which I'm so excited I found. Oh, I'm just gonna make a mess, and I just vacuumed. I've had this for 4 to 5 years, which is crazy, and I always put it out. It's one of my favorite things ever. I love the fact that it's white, but I have to admit, I'm kind of leaning into painting it. Maybe next year, definitely not this year, but I'm thinking of painting it more realistic home colors, if that makes sense. I'll probably stick to neutrals, but let me know if you think I should paint it or just leave it white. Anyways, the sun is starting to set. This is where I'm thinking of putting the houses. I'm not sure where I'm going to put the nacimiento just yet, but for now, we're putting the houses here. I'm starting off with this sheet of fake snow, and then underneath it, I'm thinking of putting this battery-powered twinkly light. I feel like I have way too many houses. So, wasn't able to put all the houses. There's still 4 remaining, but I think I'm gonna keep these as well as the trees to put with the nacimiento.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Right, and we are officially done with the main Christmas tree of the year, which is in this living room. I can't believe this is the first year I've done an all gold Christmas tree, and this is definitely everything I could have ever imagined. I feel like all of the ornaments tie in together really nicely, and I am just so in love with it. I also had no idea what to do with the fireplace because I honestly purchased way too many like knick-knack items, and I wanted to put them all here, but it's just too much. This area actually didn't have the reindeer sleigh, and I might remove it to put it on the other living room, but this is what it looks like with, and then this is what it looks like without. But anyways, I really wanted to do this effect with the garland and like overlap it over on the opposite side of the tree. Since it's definitely very busy on this side with the tree, I wanted to make it a little bit more simple, which is why I'm leaning towards not adding the reindeer sleigh here and just using it in another room. But speaking of the garland, I actually went to so many different stores trying to find the perfect garland. This one does look very realistic, which is what I love the most about it, but I don't love how bright green it is, especially compared to the tree and the mini trees over here. But nonetheless, I still like it. I also added these little bells, which I got from Home Goods. I really wanted to use the viral Hobby Lobby garland, but I'm going to save it for our stairs. And then on this corner, I kept it really simple and added the 3 mini reindeers. And then over on this side, I just kept it really simple with the window and my mini village. Like I mentioned earlier, I couldn't use 4 of the houses because the space is very limited, but I might use them in the second living room with the nacimiento, or actually use them as a centerpiece for our dining table. Now that it's getting darker, you can actually see the little twinkle lights that I added to the ground, and I actually have to buy new batteries for these tea lights. This is what it looks like. These are actually remote controlled, which I love. I got it from Amazon, but I'm just going to replace the batteries of these so that they're brighter. But I have to say, I really do love the way this little window came out. And then for the pillows, very simple, very neutral. I actually wasn't able to use the reindeer pillow that I really wanted to. It ended up being way too big to put in the center, so I stuck with these that I actually last minute found at home. However, I kind of wanted to use these. I kind of wanted to use these pillows, which are a green variation. I actually used these for the fall decor, as you saw, but let me know which one you think I should use. Christmas trees or plain green? Let me know in the comments. For the coffee table, I wanted to keep it really simple. I just added these little leaves from the garland. This is to hide our remote controls. And then these candles are battery powered and they have a remote control, and I love the fact that they flicker. You probably can't tell right now because it's too bright, but it definitely adds a cozy feel to the room. And then lastly, I actually ended up changing the sconces to these antique brass, and I like it even more. I just feel like it goes better with this room, and I ended up deciding to keep this chandelier even though Eric hates it. Quick side note, I forgot who commented this, but someone mentioned to remove the glass and add Mod Podge to the frame. That way it looks more realistic, and I might do that. However, I fear that the glass is going to be really hard to remove and I might have to break it. All right, lastly, for the side table, I added these faux plants, which actually looks so realistic, and I'm loving it. All right, so that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am so obsessed with the tree and how it turned out. I'm going to try my best to link everything in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And also stay tuned for the following videos because we have a few more trees to decorate. I couldn't get them all together in one. I didn't anticipate how long it takes me to put these trees together, but stay tuned for the following videos. One last thing, I am hoping to do vlogmas this year, which I am so excited but nervous at the same time. So please leave me some detailed recommendations or things that you want to see throughout vlogmas, because I feel like my life up here is very repetitive and I wanted to make it fun for you guys. And yeah, I can't wait. But thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the